Hey guys, this is Peter, and today I have something pretty cool for you. It's an inexpensive electric bicycle, and this is the perfect time of year for something like that. Now, I do want to point out, you probably just saw a little message pop up on the screen that says this includes a paid promotion. That's what a responsible YouTuber is supposed to do when they post something that they receive for free. See the rules? So a lot of people will say in my videos down in the comments, hey, he got this for free, don't trust him. Believe me, my allegiance belongs to my viewing audience and that they trust me, and that's what matters more than anything else. Yeah, someone sent me a bike for free. If I don't like it, I'm not going to say that I did, because you guys are much more important to me than anything else, especially something I didn't like. Anyway, this happens to be a product that I like very much. It's from a company called, I guess you'd say, Jaison. So Jaison makes a number of bikes, and I chose to get the full size, least expensive bike because I think that's the one that's most attractive. Now, it is available on their site, and you'll be surprised at the pricing here. $7.19, that sounds like a great place to start. There is a 30% off code, and I'll send you a link to this. It helps out my channel, of course. But Amazon has a compelling price as well. Now, you'll notice this one says free shipping at the top, and this one does not. When you put it in your cart at Amazon, you're going to pay, what is it, $80 for shipping. So I said to them immediately, $80 for shipping? What, does it not work? What, is it not good quality? Am I going to feel that I have 160 in this just to get it back to you? So my job here is to be your eyes and ears and let you know what I've experienced when I open the box. And I also wanted to take a look at, was it packed well? Is it complete? Was it easy to set up? So that's what I'm going to review. And then I did put, I think I got 43 miles on it thus far. So I want to share that as well with you. So let me just jump right into this and show you what happened when I opened the box. Hey guys, this is Peter. Well, the box comes like this. So it just was delivered. I haven't opened it yet. But what I want to look for in here is quality. Make sure that it was packed well, make sure that it's easy to assemble, and that the parts look like they're made of good quality. I do want to make sure that that it's made it here in one piece, that it's shipped rather well. Nice thick cardboard here. So it looks like it might ship very, very well. It is a cost in shipping this to yourself. I noticed on Amazon it was $80. So you got to figure that into the cost, but you got to make sure we're getting good quality. So I'm going to show you exactly and give you my honest opinion. After all, even though I get these products sent to me for review, and it doesn't cost me anything, but I do have an obligation to you guys to let you know whether or not it's a good deal. Let's pop it open and take a look for ourselves, see what we get. All right. I think I'm actually going to change this camera angle so we can see a little bit better everything that's in there. There, and I can get rid of my little stool that I'm sitting on. And let's pop it open. All right, well, I sped this up, but it's me opening the box, and I decided instead of lifting it out, I'm going to pull out my knife and cut open the sides so you can see exactly what's inside. So once I come to this, this genius idea here, because I'm not returning this anyway. So I'm going to cut it down the sides and let's pop it open. Ta-da! All right. So it looks like it's packed pretty well. Those are interesting. It smells new. Oh, and that's the way that it's packed. All right. It's basically assembled. Look at this. All I need to do is remove some foam here. It looks like I have to put the handlebars on. That's probably a charging unit. Oh no, that's the battery itself. Nice big battery. I do like that. The larger the battery, the more it's going to travel. Okay. Grab this. Wow. Interesting tubing. I do like that. It's not round here. Pretty cool, actually. Cut that wheel loose. Lift that away. What this is. Look at that. It's already assembled. Look at that. It has a little horn and a light. That's really nice. Was not expecting that. All right, so quality-wise, it looks like it's very good quality. And there's a little grip so that it acts as a throttle. I was looking at that. I do like that. I was hoping to get some exercise with this, but got to make sure to stay off that throttle. Nice. So it has shocks to give it some front suspension. Yep, just front suspension. But that looks pretty cool. I think all I need to do is open this up, slide it on top, and it's basically going to be one bolt kind of operation. Oh, all right. Let's get to that. All right, I said I'd show you what's inside this box, and I want to do that real quick. Let's just take a quick peek at what we're seeing in here. This is the accessories box. Comes with some pedals. Ooh, these are rather nice. Some tools. That's nice. User manual. That's for the wheel. That's an inexpensive reflector thing. The pieces for the front wheel, and oh, the charger. Of course, the charger. That's here as well. This is for the wheel. Just going to thread that through. Now they have something on here for shipping. Let's see if I can show that. It's a bolt that keeps the forks apart. I'm going to take that off, put the wheel on, put the pedals on, and we should be ready to go. Well, here it is fully assembled, and I got to say, I'm really impressed with the quality of this. It's really well made, nice welds, Shimano equipment, nice front brake and rear brake, and there's the hub motor. So we're going to, of course, test out all that out. 36 volts. I do like the gears, nice gears. Pedals were easy to put on. Tires look nice. There's even a light. All right, well, here's the light, and it's bright enough to see by as well as be seen. Cable management is very good. In fact, look at this. It goes through the bottom of the frame and out the other side. So the cables really are managed well, and it looks like a normal bike with the battery off. And look at this. I'm going to put the battery on and listen to this. I'm going to be quiet for a second. It just clicks into place. And there's a key. Why would you want to remove it? Say you rode it to work and you wanted to charge while you were there, or take it with you to make it look even more like a standard bike. And you could charge it in. Look at this. Just boom. Nice quality sound. This is what the bike looks like fully assembled. Front brakes. That's really a nice feature. Rear brakes. Kickstand. The pedals are nice. I can ride them with my flip-flops. Here is the mid-hub motor, or it's the in the wheel. The seat's pretty firm. This is a cool grip shift, little clicker through, and there's the grip shift. It spins. The controls are pretty nice, or the display is nice. I wish it did show when the light was on. Let's take this thing for a ride and kind of show you what it's like. It's kind of hard to film while you're doing this, but I did do it in normal pedal modes. There's 3 different pedal assist modes. I rode it in number 3 most of the time. That's probably what you'll do. You move your legs very lightly, and it just takes you up right through the gears. Really nice. But you can also ride it in a throttle mode. And I'm going to show you that, because I did test it that way as well. The throttle mode, like you would imagine, you don't pedal, you just turn the grip shift, and well, it takes you along the way, but it eats through the battery. Well, it is verdict time, and I want to tell you, we love this bike. It is a great value. Front suspension, disc brakes, front and back. This is a fun little bike to ride. It's the fastest one in our fleet, so the kids all want to ride this one. Let's see. Small gripes. The light on it is excellent. It is not only bright enough to be seen, but good enough to see with, and I like that. It's great that it's built onto that. There is on the LCD screen, it would be nice if it showed you that the light was on, because that's already built onto the screen. It just wasn't implemented. The battery could be bigger. This battery will take you on a full charge 16 miles, which is normally plenty enough. But I thought I'd mention that. You can take it off, bring it inside to your place of business and charge it from there. It's neat when you take it off because it looks like a standard bike. Kickstand is nice. A lot of great features on this. Oh, I do want to mention there's 2 ways you can buy it. I'll put 2 links. I'll put a link to the site itself, which we see right now. It helps my channel if you follow my link. But when you go to purchase it, you'll notice that shipping is free. So you'll notice there's a price discrepancy. Let's go take a look at it. It is $7.19 on this site. And remember, on Amazon, it was $5.99. There's 9 left at the time I'm filming this. Let's see. When you go to buy it, it is $80 worth of shipping. And they do collect tax. So when I go through this way, $7.19, put the coupon code in on your purchase. And when you fill everything out, you'll see that shipping is free in the US. So when I make it all the way out, it looks like I've clicked on it to go to PayPal or to buy another one. And it looks like it's going to charge me this $6.89. So it does end up like it's cheaper, but if it does charge you tax, it's within $10. So there you go. I'll put both links down. It looks like there's only 9 left in stock. Let's take a click. F5, still 9 left in stock. So this is a great value. If you're thinking of getting an electric bike and this is the price point you wanted to be at, sub $700 out the door, delivered, this is a great one. It shipped well, it's quality components, and it was easy to put together. I think you'll like it. Anyway, guys, that's it for this bike. We'll see you in the next one. Talk to you soon.